welcome back. In today's video, we will cover vector multiplication, addition, and so on, and how to subset a vector, right? So, in order to do vector multiplication, first need to create two vectors. So, right now I created vector 1 with name of vec1, which consists of 5 elements, which is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? And second vector, which is VC, it consists of 7 element, which is 1 2 3 4 4 2 7. Now in order to do a vector multiplication of this, again as I told you earlier also, it's vector 1 into vector 2, right? But vector multiplication or vector addition, vector subtraction, so once there are two vector present, what R does, R basically do a element by element multiplication, addition or subtraction, right? But what if the length of vector, right, are different? So there is a concept of recycling in vector. This will not give you any error, but it will recycle the shorter vector again. So just do the vector multiplication using vec into vec1, right? And once I print this result, it will show me the warning that longer object length is not a multiple of shorter object length. Hence there is a concept of recycling which provided you the output. So now if you see here, so 0 is multiplied by 1, which will give you the output 0. 2 into 2 will give you output 4. 4 into 3 will give you output 12. 6 into 4 is will give you output 32, sorry 24. 8 into 4 will give you output 32. And now the it will recycle, right? So now 0 will be multiplied by 2, which is 0. 2 will be multiplied by the last element of vec, which is 2 into 4, which is 8, right? Similar thing will happen with addition and subtraction as well, so you can explore that. Now there's a concept of subsetting or subsetting. So suppose you want to extract a particular element or a group of elements from a vector. So in order to do that, you need to provide that list inside a square brackets, right? So suppose now I want to extract the first four elements from vector 1 and store that in a object called C. So just write VC1 in square bracket 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 is to 4 is, or 1 colon 4 is basically a sequence of 1 2 3 4, right? So value of first four value of vector 1, which is 0 2 4 6, is now extracted and stored in an object called C. Suppose now I just want to extract the value second element of that vector. So instead of sequence, now I want only the second index or the second element. So I just need to write 2 inside the square bracket, which is 2 right now. Now suppose I want to remove first element from the vector, right, which is 0. So in order to do that, either I can write vec1 in square bracket 2 colon till the end, right? Or I can just write -1. So -1 will remove the first element, which is 0 has been removed, and now vector 1 consists of 2 4 6 8, right? Now in order to sort a vector, how to sort a vector in a ascending or descending order? So in order to sort a vector, there is a function called sort, sort. First argument is your vector name, second argument is decreasing is equal to true. So if you want to sort it in a descending order, and the default is ascending order, right? So let me just tell you the output of this, which is, so vector 1 consists of elements 0 2 4 6 8, and now I created another vector, vector 2, which will sort the vector 1 in descending order, which is 8 6 4 2 0. That's all for this video.